So this is Lake Renwick in Cavalier, North Dakota. What date is it? May 29, 2025. And I'm going to do the oxy-reduction potential, the ORP. I already calibrated it with this 225 standard millivolts, but actually I've changed it. This is, I think, it's reference to the platinum electrode, and now it's with reference to the hydrogen electrode. So let me calibrate it again. I've calibrated it with reference to the hydrogen electrode. It's EH, I believe. I'll clarify all that later. But now I'm going to measure the Lake Renwick. This is early May. The water looks quite clear at the moment. You don't see any algae or anything like that. So it might be a good time. I'm trying to look at the changes you will see when normally you see an algal bloom here, and I'm going to see the difference then and now. So it's 212 millivolts at the moment. I would say it's 212. See if you can see the temperature.